Chapter 5, The Profit and Loss Report. You are going to love this. This is where you find out how much money you're making. Woohoo! Remember our income, cost of goods sold, and expense accounts in our chart of accounts? Those are going to be featured here in order to get the month's net income. The profit and loss starts and ends on specific dates, usually the first and last day of the month and year, but you can always customize it. The profit and loss starts and ends on specific dates, usually the first and last day of the month or year, but you can always customize it. Here is the layout of the profit and loss report. Income minus cost of goods sold equals gross profit. Then, gross profit minus total expenses equals net income. Let's do Karen's profit and loss report for October using the transactions we just classified. I simply took the total of all of the transactions in each category to get my final number. For example, online sales is $4,604.16 because of the 4 transactions she had in October. $1,469.25 plus $984.26 plus $2,016.49 plus $134.16 equals $4,604.16. Profit and loss, October 1st, 2021 through October 31st, 2021. Income, online sales, $4,604.16. Store sales, $2,805.08. Her total income is $7,409.24. The next section is cost of goods sold. Her total cost of goods sold is $1,914.92. Her gross profit is total income minus total cost of goods sold, which is $5,494.32. In expenses, she had advertising, $1,053.80, meals, $56.13, office expenses, $15.49, rent or lease, $650, travel, $290.95, utilities, $135.60, wages, $831.18. The total of all of those expenses is $3,033.15. To get her net income, we take the gross profit and subtract the total expenses to get $2,461.17. You might have noticed that the profit and loss report doesn't necessarily have all of our different expense categories in it. That's okay. Some months you won't have any expenses in a certain category. If an expense category isn't mentioned here, then the balance in that account is 0. Also, the profit and loss report only includes income accounts, cost of goods sold accounts, and expense accounts. And there you have it. Wouldn't you love to see all of your income and expenses laid out like this so